Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all grab your keys, your phone, and your shoes and head on out the door because we have a huge run glitch going on right now at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons at Dollar General and Walgreens. We have new clearance markdowns, tons of clearance over at Walgreens. We have run deals, run glitches, and overages going on right now at Dollar General. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through. That way you have all the details and you can get in on all the deals. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and jump into this run glitch deal. So this week at Dollar General, we have General Mills cereals on sale, 3 for $6. They're normally $3 and some change per box. So on sale, 3 for $6, that is a fantastic deal. But this sale is supposed to be on the smaller boxes, specifically on the 10.4 to 12.3 ounce boxes. However, there's a little glitch going on in the system, and this sale is actually applying to the family size boxes. Now, these boxes are normally priced anywhere from $5 to $5.25. So here's a look at the cereals that are working or showing up as working in the app. You may find others in the store. Just scan all of the large size or family size boxes of General Mills cereal. And what you want to do is scroll down, make sure that the sale 3 for $6 shows up underneath every cereal that you want to do with this deal. And keep in mind, you can mix and match. Just like I said, make sure that you scan each box and make sure that the sale 3 for $6 shows up underneath each box. So we're looking at $15 to $16 worth of cereal, dropping down to just $6. But this deal does get even better because right now on the Dollar General app, we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon for the General Mills cereals. So make sure that you have that one clipped to your account. Once you get up to the register, type in your phone number. That coupon should apply as well as the sale, and that is going to leave you paying $5 for 3 huge boxes of cereal. Now, I'm going to go ahead and answer some frequently asked questions, but I know that there will be people out there who will skip through the video and they will miss the important details. So whenever they're down in the comments section asking those same exact questions that I am about to answer, I'm going to say, hey, go back and watch the video all the way through. All right, so number one, which register should we do this glitch at? This glitch is working at all registers. Old registers, new registers, and self-checkout. Keep in mind, we have tons and tons of overage right now at Dollar General. I went over all those deals in yesterday's video, so if you missed that one, make sure that you go and check it out. If you're at an old register store, you can pick up those other items and make your out-of-pocket even lower. And like I said, all of my most recent videos are going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. So make sure that you guys go and check those out before you head out today. And once you're done shopping, do not forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app because General Mills cereals are a part of the Fetch program. So you may get some bonus points just for taking a picture of your receipt. So don't forget to do that. If you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a few extra bonus points. So don't forget to scan in those receipts. Now, also, I want to go ahead and wish everybody a happy new year. I did make a post on the community tab last night. I'm really looking forward to 2024. You guys have been amazing. You have helped me grow this channel so much in 2023. And I am so excited to see what all happens in 2024. So once again, thank you so much for all of your love and support. I really do appreciate it. it. And yeah, that's going to be it for me for now. Y'all know what to do. Stick around, stay tuned. I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Please come back and let me know if you score, and I will see you on the next one.